Is he nice?
Yes. He's happy.
He's happy?
Yes.
He
You will
sounds
come.
mad.
You ask you will come.
Come. He sounds mad.
Come.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
It's New Year's Eve and we are in southern Jordan in Wadi Rum village, and we're going to camp in a Bedouin camp tonight. And Bedouins are the indigenous local people of this area. And this village is fairly modern because the Bedouin were mainly nomadic up until just a few years ago. So this is actually a new village. And behind us we have this amazing mountain range, or I don't even know what you call that.
Mountain.
Yeah, this landscape is absolutely amazing, and it's been used in movies like The Martian, Indiana Jones, so you might recognize it. So right now we just got invited into the what's it? Salah?
His name is Salama, and he's the owner of the camp that we're staying in tonight.
Yeah, so right now we're just going into his house and deciding what we want to do for the next 2 days, and yeah.
Okay.
So do you speak Arabic or Bedouin language? Or is it different?
No, it's Arabic, but like a Bedouin accent.
Bedouin accent.
Bedouin accent, okay. What does it say there?
This is Quran.
The Quran?
Yes.
What does it say?
About our God. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. This is, no other one.
Just no other God but Allah.
Yes.
Mm.
Allah. It's the one.
Yeah.
No son, no father of him, no
Yeah.
anything for him.
Yeah.
Yes. Is one. Yeah. You want more tea?
I would, thank you. It's very good.
This is Bedouin whiskey, huh?
Bedouin whiskey?
Yeah.
Ah, what makes a real Bedouin? Yeah.
The real Bedouin, they live in the desert.
Mm-hmm.
They have sheep and camel.
Camel.
They don't like the village or
Yeah.
city or something.
Okay.
They like the quiet.
Mm-hmm.
And in the spring, they travel from
Yeah.
place to other place to find good spring for the sheep and camel.
So this man who's here, is that your father?
Yeah, this is my brother.
Your brother.
We are 15 brother and sister.
Oh my gosh.
wow.
Yeah.
15? The same mom?
Two mom, but
Two mom, okay.
one father.
Okay.
Yeah.
Still.
Wow.
Yeah, it's small family.
That's
All right, so now we've met with our guide Mohammed, and he's going to take us into the desert. And so this is our last stop in Wadi Rum village. We're just getting some gasoline from the local gas station. This is what the gas station looks like. Yeah. What's really cool about this village is that it just is literally right on the edge of the desert. So as you can see, the desert starts right there at the end of the road.
So we just got to the first stop. We are on a jeep tour right now. So we stopped at this little place where you can hike up on this big mountain, and also you can read these
Hieroglyphics.
What is it called?
Hieroglyphics. Hieroglyphics. These are from the Nabateans, the same people that built Petra. So these are well over 2,000 years old.
Yeah.
So to think that this was carved before
And you can
Christ,
see,
pretty amazing.
I don't know if you can see it on the video now, but there's like a dog I see, or like some sort of animal. There's, yeah, all sorts of things. Is he nice?
Yes. He's happy.
He's happy?
Yes.
He
You will
sounds
come. You
mad.
ask you will come.
He sounds mad.
Come.
We are in the middle of the Wadi Rum desert, which is the setting for Lawrence and Arabia, on 3 camels. Actually, it's about 5 camels. It's me and the 5 camels behind me.
Ursäkta.
And The landscape is absolutely stunning, and this is as authentic as it gets. There's Julia's cousin, Charlotte's cousin, Charlotte and Julia.
Back to the ride. Okay, so we stopped by our tour guide's Bedouin camp, and he asked Evan if he could do a drone footage of the Bedouin camp, which obviously he could, and some really cute kids stopped by just to check it out. Football? Yeah?
Right?
You can keep this too because
You don't have any more.
I don't need it.
No, it's okay.
No, because I don't.
You
Is
didn't need
that-
it?
Oh, what?
Julia's putting the finishing touches on our stone mural.
Pretty good job, I might say.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
sunset. Yeah, so today's the last day of 2018 and it's so cool to be doing this, such an experience. Do something different, you know? Not just do the regular same as you've always done, right?
Agreed. We're sitting in Wadi Rum admiring the last sunset of 2018.
It's beautiful.
And the sunset is amazing.
Oh yes, it's going down right now. Perfect way to end here.
I'm not sure if you guys can see me because it's pitch black out here. The sun just went down in Wadi Rum and we just ended our day. And I must say that was one of the best days of traveling I've ever had. Just a day full of adventure, driving around in the Jeep, going on camels, exploring this amazing landscape. And now we're in the Bedouin camp at the tents. and we're going to have traditional Bedouin dinner and some Bedouin tea. And just wanted to end the vlog here just in case we get too lazy to film, but I'll try to get some footage of that. But day 5 I think it was of this vacation, December 31st, New Year's Eve. Absolute amazing day, one of the best days of travel we've ever had. Wow.
Wow.
Okay, let's go.
Watch out, Charlotte.